Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a bunch of asparagus inspired by JellyCat. So let's get started. To draw this cute bunch of asparagus, let's first start by drawing the wrap. So let's go ahead and come right about here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve going across about this wide, and then I'm going to come to this corner right here and just come down with another soft curve. See, about that tall. And same thing here. And then go ahead and just connect it once again, just like the top. So this is where our bunch of asparagus is wrapped together with that. And then we are going to, let's see here, let's come to the bottom and come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw a little curve for the bottom of our asparagus. There, and then let's come to the sides right here. We're going to draw some JellyCat feet. So just this big oval as slant. And I'm going to try to make the bottom a little bit narrower. So definitely turn your body or the paper if you need to. There. So let's do the same thing on the other side, but right here. Just going to drag this across, so approximately the same height on the other side, and connect. There, so if I 2 feet in, then I'm going to come in here and just draw a little curve right in between. And then come about right here and draw another curve and another one. Because our bunch of asparagus is wearing some pants. There. Okay, so now that we have that part done, let's draw our shoots of asparagus. So let's start with the center one. So I'm going to come about, let's say about right here. Just easier for my hand to draw downwards. So I'm going to come here and maybe about this thick. I'm going to draw another curve. So it's going to be a little bit wider towards the bottom. That's your goal. And then maybe another one here. So same thing. And one more. In the front right here. So let's go ahead. Fill that up. Okay, so we have our 3 stalks in. Let's go ahead and draw the crown. So for the crown, just to try to simplify it, just remember it's going to taper as you go up. So let's go out. It's going to be rounder here. Just come in, come in, come in, and then the top and down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. And in. So you're just creating this shape right here where it's the widest at the bottom. And then to make to draw in the details, let's come here. And so same thing here. Just going to go layer by layer. There. And before I forget, I'm going to come here and just lightly put in these little, I don't know what you call them, details right here on the stalk. Okay, so let's do the same thing. Now we're going to go at this angle. So 1, 2, 3, and then the center. And then same thing on the other side. There. And so then, once again, some details. If it's faster, you can go like this as well. This might be a faster way. And then you come in and just putting these lines to extend it. There. Maybe that's faster. Okay, so same thing here. 2, 3, 4. Oops, getting sloppy. That's what happens when I know I have to draw a lot of these. Okay, there. And once again, let's draw these little details right here. And then let's fit in 2 more. So let's say in between, I'm just going to start at the center. So let's say that shape. So whatever space you have, and just imagine drawing it coming in. So maybe you might just only see a little bit of it right there. You just want to fill in this space. So there. And one more, maybe a little bit higher. I feel like it's easier for me to draw the other way, from the bottom up. Okay, so this way I have to think a little bit more. This way. Then maybe just so we can put in stock right there. I feel like we need that line there too, just to break it up. And then that is pretty much for the asparagus. So then just fill in this little curve right here so that it looks like it's wrapping around. And then let's go ahead and bring our bunch of asparagus to life. I'm just going to go ahead and add this little detail right here and here at the bottom. And then of course some eyes. So let's come about right here and I'll draw in a circle. And come across about right here and draw another circle. There. So since they're big enough, I think I'm going to go ahead and try to make them draw so cute eyes. With 2 small circles inside for highlight, curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so then let's go ahead and draw a soft curve over each eye, and then a sweet smile in between. There. And so now that we have that, that's pretty much it, except let's put a heart right here in the center to make this my Draw So Cute bunch of asparagus inspired by JellyCat. I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did help you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.